Question 9, we've got a cumulative frequency table. Age in ranges, this is from 20 up to 30, 20 up to 40, 20 up to 50, 20 up to 60, 20 up to 70, and we're given the cumulative frequencies, and we've been asked on the grid opposite to draw a cumulative frequency graph for this information. These numbers are fairly easy. Here's our scale. We need to just put 20, 48, 64 and 80 on our scale here. What plot point do we use? Well, the rule is that if this is the number of results in your table up to the age of 30, we must plot the 20 point at the 30 point. So our first point must be plotted here. And here are the others. And there they are. And I can join them up. And there's a line. Now, I've drawn them with straight lines because it's very difficult to draw curves on a tablet driving this software. But in reality, this is a curve. So now we can look at part B, and we're asked to find an estimate for the median age. So if our full range is from 0 up to 80, the median will lie at the 40 point. And all we've got to do is bring a vertical line down from this intersection and read off the result down here. And according to my line, we've got an answer of 37. And that is your answer.